Hey there, I'm Lana Hill for HISD Now, and today we're starting off with holiday cheer at one of our early childhood centers, plus a look at how campuses are supporting families this season. And we're continuing campus close-up at Briargrove and talking to a new HISD teacher who's already making an impact. We're also tackling basketball, checking out Winterfest at one of our Sunrise centers, and sharing important school choice reminders. It is Thursday, December 18th. Two days out until winter break, starting with a little holiday cheer. Earlier today, the Farias Early Childhood Center held its annual holiday toy drive. This is made possible every year thanks to a partnership with Pre-K Pals. Volunteers helped organize and gave out toys, bringing extra cheer to our Littlest learners this holiday season. This year's event was extra special because it marks the 20th anniversary of the toy drive, spreading smiles and holiday joy across the campus.
You know, we collect toys for every single student in the classroom. That's so important to us. We work with the folks here, the principal, how many kids, how many boys, how many girls, and then we make sure we collect toys year round. I've got the pleasure of working with two high school organizations, Leading Ladies, and then the Houston Area Youth Council on Service.
So now Mr. McKinney comes with his team of volunteers, gives the toys to the children, and what it does, brings hope. His team celebrates the resilience of our community, and that's what community is about.
Jada Greenlaw, an experienced teacher joining HISD this year.
This week for Campus Close-Up, we've been sharing stories with you from Briargrove Elementary. In today's new video, we're talking to English and reading teacher Jada Greenlaw. She's an experienced educator who's new to HISD this year and says her time at Briargrove has already been both rewarding and full of growth. She's sharing how she's making sure her students get the best instruction possible. That story is up now on the channel. And tomorrow we're wrapping up our Briargrove coverage with a fun performance by the cheer team, plus a conversation with their coach. That story drops tomorrow, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.
Hey guys, welcome to another week of sports.
Well, something you can watch right now on the channel is our conversation with Athletics Director Dr. Andre Walker. He stopped by to talk about the recent basketball tournaments. Over the last 2 weeks, HISD hosted two major basketball tournaments, welcoming 64 teams from across the Houston area. Our boys and girls teams took center court, showcasing their talent and making their mark as they head into the regular season. We'll take a look at these photos from the Mission Milby Sunrise Center, where nearly 250 families came together for a Winterfest celebration. The event offered fun activities like bounce houses, holiday crafts, face and hair painting, festive treats, and even photos with the Grinch. Families also had access to helpful resources, including dental screenings, vaccines, a diaper depot for young children, and updates from Sunrise Center parents. The celebration wrapped up with toy giveaways from Poncho Claus and a raffle featuring donated items from community partners, making it a joyful and impactful day for the entire community. And here's an important heads up on holiday hours for our Sunrise Centers. If you need assistance, act now and contact our Sunrise Centers because they'll be closed for winter break from December 22nd through January 5th. We've included links in the description of this video. And don't forget, no-cost health care is still available during winter break and all year long through Hazel Health. HISD families can connect with a licensed medical provider or therapist from home for free 24/7. Our Family and Community Engagement Team, or FACE, hosted another Beyond the Grades parent event at Woodsen Leadership Academy. Parents had a chance to walk around and visit classrooms to see instruction firsthand. These events help families better understand academic ratings, school growth, and how campuses are continuing to raise the bar. Families also receive tips on ways to support learning at home and how to make the school-family partnership stronger. Well, parents and families, don't forget school choice is open. If you're planning to work on your application over the break, selecting your top 10 schools, we've got you covered. Links to the school choice website, the application, and more are all in the video description below this video. And if you have questions during the break, be sure to check out our school choice video playlist. We walk you through the application process, what happens next, and take you inside our school choice fairs. The playlist is on YouTube, and the videos are also on our Facebook and Instagram. And here's the date, time, and location for our next school choice fair. Go ahead and take a screenshot. It is happening in January, so you've got time to plan to see all of our offerings in person. Well, that is it for today on HISC Now. Thank you for watching, and we will see you back here tomorrow.